It's no secret that people love basketball here in Indiana, but there's a home team you might not know about that's making some really good noise in Hamilton County and around the country.
Yes, and of course our Randall Newsom talked with a Central Indiana native who got the team started.
Hey everybody, I'm coming to you from Westfield to talk with you about the Midwest Guardians, a team that you probably haven't heard of yet, but you're about to. We're here with Devin, man, founder, head coach.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, man?
Hey, I'm doing great, feeling good.
Man, you look like founder, head coach / player right now, man.
Hey, some days I want to get out there, but yeah, I'm on my Mark Cuban, so just trying to stick to the owner's box right now.
Got you, man. For you, how did this whole idea of the Midwest Guardians come about?
Absolutely. So I played semi-pro in the American Basketball Association last year, and just long term, I wanted to see where I wanted to be. Did I want to play on the court, put my body through that the next 10 years, or did I want to get into coaching and having more ownership and stability in the basketball world? So between my resources and my network and my passion for the game, I decided it'd be good to build this platform in the minor league world and give other guys here in the state and the surrounding areas an opportunity to expose their talents and get to the next level. So.
You obviously have a passion for the game. What translated that to say, you know what, I want to create opportunities for other guys?
Yeah, being here in Indiana, I think it's the basketball mecca of the world. I love my Pacers, but I saw a niche there, semi-pro basketball, semi-pro football. These are things that exist in other states. And me being a product of Hamilton Southeastern here in Hamilton County, I know what the fan base and the support is at the high school and local levels. So I thought, why not bring that into professional basketball? We have the talent, we have the resources here in Hamilton County, so just a perfect fit. And so with the camaraderie of the community and the talent level that we have, this can really be a big platform.
You talked about talent level a couple of times in there, man. Safe to say you guys are pretty talented. What's that ranking right now again?
Yes, sir. We're currently ranked number 10 in the country out of 200 teams. So for our first year, we're definitely hitting some mile markers that are exciting for us, for sure.
Awesome, man. With all that being said, what would it feel like for your community, people in the surrounding areas to come out and support you guys?
Man, it would be amazing. With us being a first-year program, me being a first-year founder or team owner and coach, knowing that we have community support is a key thing. We're a small business like anybody else, so the first year or 2 years does matter, and having that community support, camaraderie, and backing, that's what's going to take us from here to here. And we want to go through the roof. We love our Pacers, but we want to bring home some hardware and give the city and the community something to be excited about in the sports world again. Awesome,
guys. Well, I'm definitely excited, man. You know, you got me excited. I feel like I might want to get some shots off, try out for the team or something like that, man.
For sure.
We'll see if I can find a way to try out a little quick tryout for the team, for the Midwest Guardians, coming up at 4:30. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Randall, you got this. We have faith in you. All right, for more on how you can keep up with the Guardians, click on Randall's story. WishTV.com is the spot.